Hello children, welcome back to my class. In the last I showed you about the magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor and in a circular loop. So now this is my straight current carrying conductor. This is a straight wire. If I wrap it on a tube, this is a hollow tube. So if I wrap it on a tube like this, it will take a shape of solenoid. This is called solenoid of circular coil. So this is a solenoid which is having number of turns. See from this side this is a hollow inside. So this is a wire. Now you assume the direction of current. Let us assume the direction of current from this side. It is like this. Current is entering from here, then here, then here, and then here. Now this side current is entering like this. At this point the direction of current is in downward direction. Here the point current direction of current is in upward direction. Again at this side direction of current is in downward direction. So as a whole this whole side सोलेनॉइड के इस पूरे साइड में करंट का डायरेक्शन ऊपर की तरफ होगा और दूसरे साइड में करंट का डायरेक्शन डाउनवर्ड की तरफ होगा. नाउ अप्लाइंग द क्लॉक रूल, the direction of current is anti-clockwise. Direction of current is anti-clockwise. So this phase will behave as north pole, and here the direction of current is clockwise. So this phase will behave as a south pole. So altogether this solenoid behaves like a bar magnet having one north pole and one south pole, and the length of magnet is the length of solenoid. This is the length of solenoid. So it behaves like a bar magnet which is having one north pole and other south pole. You all know that when you reverse the direction of current, then the poles also reverse. So this is in this solenoid, it is very useful that we can reverse the direction of current also and reversing the pole also. So solenoid, it is an electromagnet because it gains magnetic property due to electric current. Advantage is that we can increase or decrease the strength of magnet. The magnetic field around a solenoid is just like a magnetic field around a bar magnet, and the magnetic field inside this solenoid is uniform. They are parallel line. Baki they are coming out from north pole and entering into south pole. They totally behave like a bar magnet. We can increase the magnetic strength by putting a iron core. This center is called core. So by putting an iron core inside, we can increase the strength of solenoid, or in terms we can say like it is like a bar magnet. By increasing the number of turns, by increasing the length of the wire, we can increase the strength of this solenoid. By increasing the amount of current, intensity of current, we can increase the strength of solenoid. So this is solenoid. I hope I am able to make you understand with this demonstration. Thank you.